Guys, good morning once again. Welcome to Gon's Menu. So our menu for today, guys, is we call it chicharon bulaklak. So this one is a part of the pork intestine. So let's begin. So guys, we're going to boil our chicharon bulaklak, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. Only salt, guys. So guys, this one we're going to boil it until going to get what we want, like golden brown and crispy. Going to cook in his own pot oil. So let's begin. So guys, this is our chicharon bulaklak, our intestine. We are almost done, guys. Just continue until you reach what you expected. So guys, this is our finished product, our chicharon bulaklak. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Once again, God bless us all.